Miss Alamama here. This is mango custard trifle. Trifle is one of my favorite desserts. It's sweet, it's cool, it's refreshing, and you can make it ahead. These are all the ingredients you need. Pound cake, which is just plain cake, tinned canned fruit, or you can use some fresh one. Jello, any jello flavor that you like, just make it according to package directions. And Rafan mango custard powder. Ever since I discovered this, I have never used any other custard powder. Again, follow the instructions. For this one, you use 100 ml of half and half cream. You can use milk as well. Cream just makes it a little bit more creamier. And you mix with 2 tablespoons of the custard powder, and then you heat 400 ml of half and half cream or milk. Just bring it to a simmer and then add the custard mix, and you just are going to whisk this very, very quickly. It comes together very quickly. Keep it on low heat and keep stirring until the mixture starts to thicken. Now, because we have cake that we want all this to be absorbed into, you want this to be a thin consistency. And I have discovered that if you make it thick, the cake doesn't absorb it and the cake is dry. So you want it to be this thin. Now we have everything together and all we have to do is assemble it. So let's assemble it. The very first thing that I layer with is cake. Because when you pour the custard on top, you want all of it to go at the very bottom and be absorbed by the cake pieces. So layer your cake pieces like that. Leave some space in between where the custard can go. I have this trifle stand, I call it. You can also do this like in a casserole dish. It's just all about layering. So pour the custard on top. The custard should be warm, so it's easier to be absorbed. Place your fruit on top. I had canned fruit. I use that. You can use whatever you want. You can also skip canned fruit and put cut pieces of banana if you like. Our next layer is jello. So this is Ahmed's jello. It's really good, guys. The green one is, I think, banana flavor, and the red one is strawberry flavor. So you have a whole bunch of flavors going on in there. Also, if you have a stand dish like that, then you want to put the jello closer to the ends so you can see from the outside. They look so pretty, like little jewels. Another layer of cake, lots and lots of custard on top, and just kind of push it down a little bit so that the custard doesn't stay on the top, kind of pushes it down. More of the sweet jello, and you can use whatever color jello you like. It'll all look so pretty. A little bit more of the fruit, and then we're going to pour the rest of the custard on top. This is my favorite make ahead dessert. Not even kidding. You can make it 2 days ahead. You'll be fine. And that's it. Your layering is done. You're going to let it cool to room temperature, and then you're going to put it in your fridge and you're going to cover it. I don't have the video of serving it. We were too busy eating this. But look how cute it looks. Look how pretty. And this is how much was left. It looks kind of weird, but it tastes just as great. In fact, I think it tastes even better all mushed up like this.